Hi, I'm here today to tell you how I did a shower facelift with the Rustoleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit in white. I'm just talking about what I went through, my review of it, suggestions, and this project was completed November 22nd, 2020. So it's just about a month and 3 weeks in. Basically, you see here, I did purchase a ventilator, highly recommend, paid about $36 at Lowe's for that. Highly suggest getting it. The fumes are very strong. Also, I purchased a fan, cost me about $10–11. Just open my window, face that towards the window just to kind of pull some of the fumes out. People talk about that going throughout the house. That really wasn't an issue. My bedroom is here. This is my master bath. No problem. Also, foam rollers. That is what I use. I'll get into that. Here you'll see my bathroom, which was an ugly mustard yellow. It was entirely yellow. In the process of the cleanup and removing the caulking, tiles began coming off. I had to get into a whole nother job of replacing almost half the shower tile. You wonder why I didn't just go ahead and redo it. Again, this is something I'm doing as a temporary 3-year holdover, redoing my whole bathroom on the cheap. And I don't want to get into having to do the shower pan, plumbing, and we want to move the shower all the way back to the wall. So again, this is something I would say you can use as a temporary fix or even possibly long term. Not sure how long it's going to hold up, but again, we'll see. So again, cost me in this case $125 extra to replace all these tiles. Here you'll see the new shower. I'm very happy with the results. I love the change. Again, no more ugly mustard yellow. You can't really see it in the lighting. And again, this was also with application. There is some streaking. Overall, it's white. I'm happy. But you will see that there is some places where it's a little bit more opaque than others, where it's a little bit sheer. But again, you can't see the yellow. Also, it does show water spots. I mean, hey, it's better than the shower pan before. It was disgusting, stained. It was white, but it was just stained. Also, grout lines. Again, I do have the shower light as well as the bathroom light. Had both on during application. So not sure if the reflection from all the light, I could not see the difference in the tone in the painting, as well as the grout lines were not fully covered. A lot of people talk about their paint hardened. I had no issues with that. So the next day I did go back in and fill in some of the grout lines. Again, once the entire project was completely dry, I still see that there were still areas where grout lines are still visible. My paint was not milky, as some people explain, or very thin. My paint was the consistency of normal wall paint. Had no issues with consistency. Again, nor did my paint harden within hours, as a lot of people mentioned. You are supposed to apply the coats, I believe it was within an hour of each other. And again, I finished applying this, I want to say 10 or 11 o'clock at night. Next morning, I still went back and filled in the grout lines that I could see visibly, no problem. I have been cleaning this with basic dish soap and water, and that's been working so far. I've also heard people recommend they use abrasives, and that I'm not going to do that. The soap and water is working out just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Might help you if you need to do a quick revamp of your bathroom and don't want to spend a ton of money. I paid about $25 a kit, used 2 kits, and this is on a regular 36 by 36 shower. And I did use, like I say, pretty much all of the 2 kits except for what was left over. And then I do recommend maybe using nap rollers instead of the other rollers, as they did eat them away. I will possibly do a video of me redoing the entire bathroom for my kids' bathroom. We'll see that soon to come. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video.